Hi, more than 40% of code is now being generated by AI. So if you are a junior developer asking yourself, will AI take my job? You're asking yourself the wrong question. Because the right one is, what does it take to be a great junior developer in a world where AI is writing the code? I am Ali, a software engineer and a solution architect with more than 10 years of experience, and here's what I would focus on if I was starting today. First, learn about systems. AI can write the code, but understanding how systems work, APIs, databases, deployments, this is where developers are still bringing irreplaceable value. If a bug shows on production, AI won't magically know your context, your constraints, your history, but a developer who understands the system well will do. 2. Learn about AI. And here I don't mean just copy and paste code. Use it to understand code bases you have never seen before. Use it to implement features, debug and fix bugs faster than you would do manually. Use it to generate documentations. Because developers who are becoming indispensable right now are the ones who know how to leverage AI well, how to give it clear context, validate its output, and catch blind spots. It's a learnable skill that most junior developers aren't doing right now. 3. Learn how to think like an engineer. This one may sound obvious, but it's more important than you think. Learn how to break down problems, how to evaluate trade-offs, how to question assumptions. Syntax is now free. AI can generate code within minutes. What's not free is judgment. Knowing what to build, what not to build, what brings the most value to the user, what might break after a few months. This is what separates good developers from people who are just shipping AI output. And finally, communication. You won't be working alone. You will be working with other developers on the team, with product managers, with designers, and normally developers who grow the fastest are the ones who know how to explain problems clearly and collaborate well. In a world where AI is doing more of the execution, developers who can communicate well become more and more valuable because this is the layer AI cannot replace, at least not yet. So if I was a junior developer starting now, I wouldn't panic about AI. I would learn about understanding what's being built, not only how to build it. I would learn about how to use AI, how to reason about systems, and how to communicate well. This combination is rarer than you think, and this is exactly what the market is looking for right now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.